Hi everybody, it's Jill from the youth work team today, and for today's really wild challenge we are going to make a bee water station. So what we need today is a little tub of some description, some water and some stones. So I'm using these little sort of glass pebbly type things, but you can use just stones from the garden or marbles or anything. So the purpose of this is just to make sure that our bees have somewhere within our gardens that they can stay hydrated, which is a very important part of a bee's life. So one thing that happens when bees go to drink, sometimes they drink out of puddles or they drink out of bird water baths and things like that, and they can drown. So for this we are going to put in our stones at the bottom. So the point of the little stones, I'll just turn it down here so you can see what I'm doing. The purpose of the stones is so that the bees then have somewhere that they can land and sit, so that they're not going into the water and then drowning. So we'll just pop these in. So you can do this any way you like. I quite like these ones because they're just nice, but don't just use things that you've got lying about in your house or in your garden. Okay, there's a nice little star one. Okay, and then we've got a nice love heart because we love our bees and we love our nature. A little star, so you can see how that's starting to take shape. So it's kind of like if you've ever, kind of like what a lot of people have been doing recently with the lava challenge. So it's so that the bees don't actually go in the water. So we could think about this as being the lava challenge for bees. And then we're not going to just pour some water. So again, we're not wanting to make it too deep so that the bees are actually able to go on and not drown. Okay, and then I've got a couple of little stickers in my box, so again you can be creative or not creative, and so I'm just going to stick some of these on just to decorate it a little bit and make it pretty. But again, entirely up to yourselves what you do. So this is a nice easy one today. It's great to get out in the outdoors as well. So I'll just finish off, just get a little backing off this one. I'm just putting them side to side like that, so if you see what I'm doing there. Just when it's outside, it's just nice to decorate things a little bit. There we go. Just stick that one on. And then that's it, finished. So if I can just put the camera over there so you can see that the water is not too deep, but there's plenty of little stepping stones for the bees to get their water. Okay, I will look forward to seeing some of your creations, which you can post underneath in our comment box. See you soon, bye bye.